Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you class 4A, B and C? So we are here to discuss more about Windows 7. In this chapter we have studied about the desktop, my computer icon, the screensavers, wallpapers and the Windows Explorer. Our next topic is going to be, according to our book, is libraries. So libraries, what are these libraries? Libraries helps you access all your contents of one type through a single folders. In Windows 7 these were used very thoroughly because in libraries, if we take an example from our daily life, that if we go to a library for finding some reference from a book, so what do we find? We will go to that particular section. That if we are having uh, some problem in English, so we will ask the librarian to where is the English section of your library. He will tell us that this particular area is um, having the English books or the literature for the English books. If we are facing some problem in our computer subject, so we will ask our librarian to guide us to the computer section. Or if we need some guidance in the math subject, so we will ask him to guide us to the maths section books where the maths literature is there. So libraries is same in the case of the computer also. It takes us to the collection of the files and folders where all the files types are of the same type. Okay? The libraries help you access all your contents of one type through a single folder. So this explains the concept of libraries in our computer gadget. Libraries, you can include all your pictures and images folders in one library called pictures. For example, if we want to save our pictures, if we have so in the pictures folder we can save all our pictures in different folders or in the same folder. So if we are going to have a visit, right, some for example, we are going to visit some place. I went to Pakistan and I visited different northern areas of Pakistan, right? So I will take all the pictures on the trip and I want to keep them as a good memory of my life in my system. So what will I do? I will gather all the pictures of same trip or the same place at one in one folder and I will name that thing that I have according to my need. जैसे अगर मैं डे वाइज उसको सेव करना चाहूँ, so I can make them, it is the day one pictures, right? So day one I went to suppose um, on the northern place. What are the names of those things? Those people who have gone through, they must be telling. So if I have visited the zoo on Sunday, so I can name that folder Sunday as well, or I can name that folder the zoo trip. Then the second day could be named as Monday, or I can name that as the playland, that I visited the playland, right, in the particular city जहाँ पे भी वो होगा. Third thing can be a national park, right? So third day I visited the national park of the area and I can name that folder. So I can keep all the pictures. I can make a folder, another in a folder, and folder within a folder to save all my pictures. So mainly I can name my main folder as Pakistan visit, right? Then I can name the folders according to the visited places, and I can add some comments on those pictures also, right? So this is the concept of libraries. If I am having some music, so here is the next part of our topic, that libraries do not only save the pictures, it by default it can save four types of folders in it. right? Libraries in Windows 7 can by default save four types of folders in it, or four types of documents in it. Number one, files are document type, that if I want to save some document in my folder, right? So document folders are here. If I want to save some music, so the music folder can be there, and I can add my all music files in this folder, music folder. Then I can save the pictures का icon ऐसा होता है, right? And if I have want to save some videos, so I can save those videos, namely different according to my need, according to my access. I can save all the videos in my this folder, right? So now we go to our screen, right? And I will show you that how can we go to libraries. Here on getting this thing, file explorer, here this thing is the library. In the previous video I did show you the file explorer, and the file explorer, when it is shown, right, so it gives us the there it is the file explorer, and it gives us the quick access to the libraries also. Here all these libraries, here when I click on this library icon, so I'm having all these folders in front of me. I can add as many as folders here I can want, right? This camera roll is added by me. I can delete it also, right? I will just right click on it, and then I will click on it. Then yeah, their picture that was also empty. So these are the four by default folders which can be found in any library. I can save my documents here, I can save my music here, I can save my pictures here, and I can save my videos here. Anything I want to save here, I can put it here, or I can drag it to here on this folder, right? So thanks for watching, right? I hope you understand the topic of today. Inshallah, see you soon in the